What is up, people of the internet, and welcome back to another video. I know it's been a little bit, but whether it's long, short, I will always come back. We are back. It's been like 2 weeks since I last posted my last video. Also want to mention my hair. It's off. I cut my hair off. Let me know what you guys think. I really like it. It's much more comfortable. I don't have to worry about. I used to always play with the back of it, but I don't have any hair to do that with now. But yeah, it's just a lot easier to maintain. So, but right now we are about to go to a car show with Logan. I'm gonna go meet him in at a Chinese restaurant, and so yeah, let's go. We've arrived. But while we're still waiting on Logan, I wanted to actually remind you that, thank God you can go on their website right now, enter my code PITS15 to order anything you want. So yeah, and now we wait for Logan to go eat some Chinese. What is he doing? What do you think of my hair? Nice. It's gone. So what is this car? What is this car show?
If it's the one I'm thinking of, this is going to be the big one of the year for our area. It's the Priceville Veterans Park, the Will Stevens car show. I think I'm not real certain about that, but if memory serves correctly, the one in the fall is always the big one, and it's the Will Stevens.
This is my well, this is our old middle school, Priceville. This is where we first met.
It is over on the far side of that back far building in the band room. Band director Troy Alloway. Yeah, we're getting the easy parking. Oh, ha, ha, ha. Okay.
That is a monster. That's a Chevy. That's a Camaro. GMC truck.
My eyes are messed up by the light. Is that green or is that brown? Or a mix?
Like a beige. Bro, look at that. What is that, a cope? What even is this? A coyote?
What?
A coyote.
Oh.
What is this thing? What? Oh. Which it's like a super close. Which brand of truck do you like best? Chevy. That's pretty cool. Look at the steering wheel. This is my car. I wonder what this is. Well, I know what it is, but I wonder what model.
Zoom into the seats.
Hmm? What?
With a flatter embroidery. Or flower.
GMC. Oh, look at the bed. It's wood. I'm gonna go look at this thing. That's a nice one. How did I even miss that? It was right beside the bright green one. Wait, is this a Bronco? Oh my gosh, it's a Bronco. For official use only. That's pretty cool. This is a Mustang. Blacked out interior. Wow. Spoiler. Dang. Sheriff.
Early style of Hot Wheels too.
Look at these two things. Look at that motor. This thing is cool. Here we go again. What's this one look like? Oh, this is got a similar interior.
Ford Fairlane 55.
Look at that! What? Look, the what the heck? You see the wheels on that?
Hey, we were already talking about them.
Mater.
Y'all are just doing a video and y'all can get in it too.
Oh really?
Wow.
You said we can get in it.
You go right
You want to
on
get
ahead.
in it?
You go right on ahead. you get under the hood.
Yep, you as well.
All right, take your thing back.
We still got people rolling in. We got the food, even though we just ate.
Got barbecue, and then you got a Mexican thing you can do.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, they're not even there.
Okay, so we're gonna go to our old high school. It's right here, behind all of these houses that they've.
All this new construction. Firehouse, I'm perfectly okay with this new firehouse, but all these
Oh, I didn't even know that.
subdivisions.
Hmm.
The Swerve bit.
Oh my goodness!
Well, that's just a. You know what? I'm already here. If I
Oh,
get
well.
a ticket, I get a ticket.
Yay! Look at our
I can't believe
old
they got
high
rid of the
school.
Swervey bit. I love the Swervey bit. I did.
Can you believe? Well, I will be graduating college next year. That's sad.
You want to see the revamped band trailer? Sitting right over here.
I think I've seen it online.
I can't tell if they just had it like redone
Like,
or
yeah.
they bought a new. It looks like they were just redone it, which is nice. It was needed.
There's the band trailer and there's the door to the band room.
It's nice they put. That is a new trailer.
Yeah, it's
taller
longer.
and longer.
The cafeteria.
Band practice film. So over here is going to be the new turf fields that he was talking about. Okay. Which one is that?
Wait, there's another band trailer?
No, I was seeing the trailer over here.
No, there was a trailer over there.
That's the old trailer. And they added a new sidewalk. I was going to say, please don't hit the sidewalk.
Yeah, because all of this used to be just to be grass, right?
Yeah.
I think, or most of it.
Yeah, that's the old band trailer. That's the trailer we used when we were in band. When we
Did
were
they
in school.
repaint it though?
Yeah, that's repainted.
Yeah.
At least your viewers get to see the actual size comparisons.
I had my graduation.
Whoa, hang on. They got
What?
this. We're driving the wrong way. They have arrows pointing both. Everything goes that way.
That's where I had my graduation photo taken. Was right there for my graduation cards.
Oh, okay. So you don't close it every day. Okay, so we're good then.
Yay! Let's go off-roading. Oh my goodness! Okay, didn't expect that so soon.
If we stay on this refuge, we can go all the way to my church. There's a truck ahead of us anyway.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wait.
And there is a person next to his truck.
Huh.
I hope they're not stuck.
Oh god. Wait, they're on the road.
Hang on, is that the farmer? Hang on.
Or you have to be
I don't
kidnapped.
know. Put your camera down. Yeah, this is where the sunrise was.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, because we started there. Then we tried to go.
Wow,
over-
that is
What?
very pretty.
Oh.
Oh. Ah, feel the nice breeze.
We say that with the AC still running.
What is this way?
This goes to underneath the interstate bridge.
Ooh.
Put your hands up. You didn't
Watch
put your
out
hands
for
up.
the-
We're gonna go back out there. We're gonna do that to you.
What?
Put your hands up.
Watch out for the tree.
George of the jungle. Watch out for the tree. Ah!
It's very pretty out here, though. Look at all this grass. Look how ominous this looks going into here.
Look at the river.
There's
Look
the
at
water.
Look at the river.
And there's cars. Although you can't see any right now. Oh, there we go. Wait. Oh, I see him. Yay.
Oh, there it is.
And there's the bridge.
Interstate 65. Northbound closest, southbound farther.
Why is there all this trash under here?
That's probably left over from when they did all the repainting and all that crap. Look at all the hey, yeah, look at the pontoons on the pylons at the bottom. The wooden rafts there on the bottom.
Yeah.
Let's listen for the interstate.
And off we go. My forever queen.
J Cutie.
What's that from Little Rascals? It's like Darla. Now we're oh my gosh. Now we're going uphill. Bumpity bumpity bump. Yay!
Oh God.
Oh, you can't even see the bottom. Oh, I think I know where we are now.
I have an idea. Yeah, I've never actually pulled in over there. Is there guy got a fire? He's got a fire.
Does it?
He's got fire.
Fire.
And let's go.
Oh, ice cream.
Ice cream!
Ice cream, we scream.
If I do it again, I'm gonna crack it. I'm gonna be cracking tomorrow.
Dairy Queen. Superman. I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it here.
Okay.
I'll let you eat your ice cream. I've had fun. Have you had fun?
Yeah.
It's been sort of a crazy day. But that's going to be all for this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. And remember to log into reality.